Yeah. 3.
I put A.
4.
Let me mark this. 4, I put B.
4 B also 4. Oh, it was, wait, I did a different one. Yeah, I did a different one this morning. 4. Let's take a look at 4. You said second one, right?
Yes.
The number of periods of U is.
Oh, it should be D, right?
Yeah.
I was careless. My bad.
What's Y or what's X? Well, that can always be a problem, right?
Yeah.
5? Yeah.
5, I put B.
6.
I put B.
7.
I put A.
8.
I put C.
9.
I put D.
10.
I put C.
11.
I put A.
12.
I put D.
12. D.
Okay. I would assume this one count as trigonometry.
Yeah.
I solved this by setting x plus 8 equals 4x plus 2. Yeah.
Wait,
But
why?
let me try again. I think I have another idea.
No.
Let me. Okay.
Yeah, before we do that, let's stop for a second. I want to review what we did yesterday. I was thinking about this morning. It's like there is a question that is 1 for 3 degree, right? And this one is x, and this one is y, right? Remember that question? And it's at cosine, I think it's 4x equals to sine 2b or something, 2y. It's probably using AB.
In this case, what? They used AB, yes.
Yeah,
I remember the
Yeah,
question.
they use AB. We are using, at this point, I want to emphasize something because whenever you set something right, so for example, cosine A equals to sine B, in this kind of situation, we don't really have a lot in trigonometry. So this is normally what we have to use. I mean, most of the cases.
I remember we made 2 equations. We did 4x plus 2y equals 90. And the x plus y is 180 subtract 143, which was 73.
Yeah,
I remember.
Yes, that's right. And so this one is it's like it's like you can think about this is something you can write it 37 degree, and this is then you have to use this because we have to use this because we have nothing else almost. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Almost we have nothing else. So other than the definition of trigonometry, we almost have nothing else. And definition of trigonometry, because this is not a right triangle, we can't really use it in here. So basically nothing else. So we have to force ourselves to use this and connect it with this. So we just consider 4x is one angle and 2y is one angle, right?
Okay.
I'm just saying, at a point, your first instinct is right. We have to use that, or because we don't really have a lot.
Okay.
When you have no way to solve it, normally it's sine A equals to cosine B, A plus B equals to 90 degrees.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Then in this case, would it be C for 12?
Are you choosing C?
Yes.
Wait, are you choosing C before?
No.
Oh, okay. Yes, it is C.
So it's also another case where, you know, the cosine. Okay.
Yeah, we have nothing else because so A plus B is 90, right?
I think I have a bit of confusion here. Maybe like I probably forgot. So I know for some of the questions, because of this rule, we said that A could be equals to B. So that's why I think the first time when I did, I made the two equal to each other. Instead of adding them, I'm making them equals to 90. So I just wanted to know, how do I know when like maybe cos A or sin A equals cos B or sin B? Like when do I know the value is equal and when they're added, like when they're different but added together is 90?
I think what you meant is when it's equal, when should we use equal, right? The equal is not angle equal. It's not angle A equals angle. It is cos A equals to sine B. The equivalent sign that could only be used in this situation in three kind of way. Either one is cos A equals to sine B, or sine A equals to cos B, basically the same thing, right? Only in this kind of situation is equivalent. Or on the other hand, is A plus B equals to 90. That's another equivalent sign. Does that make sense? So there's no angle equals to each other. There's only cos equals to sine B or sine equals to cos B. Does that make sense?
So it's only like when I have like the length over the length, they can be equal to each other. But like angle wise, it has to be added together to 90.
Yeah.
Okay.
So yes, I think your confusion about this is you confuse it's the sine and cos they equal, but the angles they don't equal.
Yeah, I think that's what I forgot and messed up here.
It is a little confusing. You're not the first one. 13.
Okay. 13 I put C.
This is 13.
I normally have no problem with this type of question, but in this case, what happened was that it was subtracting R squared. So I was a bit confused where to put it. Because for D, it should include, the square root should include the R to the power of 2. At least I thought so. So, yeah.
Okay. So you want to try again for 13? You probably can do it. It's using one to express the other one. That's kind of strange.
Has to be A.
Yeah.
I think I kind of assumed the W in the denominator canceled when I did it.
You didn't deduce all the way?
No, I think I deduced too much, that I deduced something that I shouldn't have. That's just the practice thing. I think I'll be okay if I practice more questions and documents.
Let me see. Oh, this one, if you do it like this. No, if you do it, are you choosing D?
No, I chose C at first. Now I'm choosing A.
Oh. If you're choosing D, I can understand. This is actually also right. If the square root, yeah. If you extend that, that's actually, you can simplify it in a way. It's gonna be like that. But definitely not C, right? You gotta divide it by W and then square root.
Yeah.
Calculation. This one we can get it right?
Yeah. I just need to practice more.
Yeah. Get it at 14.
I put B.
15.
I put A.
16.
I put 8.
17.
I put 12.
18.
I put 3.6.
19.
I put 72.
20.
I put 58.
Okay. And then it's 6 and 4.
Yes.
1.
I put B.
2.
I put D.
3.
I put B.
4.
I put B.
5.
I put C.
6.
I put C.
7.
I put A.
Yeah. 8.
I put C.
9.
I put C.
10.
I put A.
Oh, good. 11.
I put A.
12.
I put B.
13.
I put D.
14.
I put A.
15.
I put A.
16.
I put B.
16. B. Let's see. 16.
Okay, that's fine. Didn't forget everything yet. That's pretty good. Okay. Should be A, right?
Yeah.
Okay. That was reckless reading. That's on me.
Okay, reckless rating.
Yes.
Reckless rating. 17.
I put D.
18.
I put D.
19.
B.
20.
B.
21.
B.
21. B. Let's see. 21.
Okay, this one I understand.
What is the appropriate average rate of the change of the month in millions of dollars per year that NSF rented to museums in Minnesota from 2000 to 2006?
Wait, was I supposed to read it or my brain just zoned out? I'm sorry.
Oh,
Okay.
21. Hey, they have 221?
Oh, I
They're
think
non-technical.
it's supposed to be 22. I got B for 22, by the way. Is that at least right?
Wait, 22 you got, wait, 21 you got what?
I got B.
Oh, let's take a look at 21.
Okay.
This one. Actually, I read the wrong one.
Yeah. I picked B for both, so I mean one of them.
22 is right. But 21?
Okay, great. Let me see. The only other choice I can think of is, wait, closest to percentages. I think C.
Yeah. What did you do before?
No, well, first, instead of putting it 39, well, okay, first I did 39 over 32. But instead of like doing like it in millions, I did 3.9 over 3.2. So yeah, that's why I got B at first. But now I realize it's close to percentages granted to Minnesota, so it should be 32 over 39.
You mean
and not
3.2 over 39, right?
Yeah, but that's
It's 3.2 over 39, right?
Yeah, 8.2, yes. I did the opposite the first time.
Oh.
Yeah, so that's why I got B, or I don't think I rounded correctly.
Ooh, even if you got a you make it the opposite, it's 39 over 3.2, which is I got more than 10, which means it's more than 1,000 percentage. Even if you do that, you don't even have an answer, right?
So because what I did the first time, I did 3.9 and 3.2 instead of 39 over 3.2. But just now, what I did was 39 over 3.2. So that's why I was thinking between C and D. So I double checked to make sure that it was, Minnesota, not the U.S. museums.
Oh, so we shouldn't use 3.9 anyway, right? That's
Yeah.
Yeah, if you use 39 over 3.2, I can understand it. But you use 3.9, which means you're totally off. Let's see, 22 is right. 23 then.
I put D.
24.
I put D.
25.
I put C.
26.
I put A.
27.
Okay, this is the problem that I feel like I was so close to solving it, but couldn't. I put D, though.
27 is D. Okay, let's see 27.
Yeah, expected.
In the figure, AC is the diameter of the circle with the center. Is AC is diameter. Okay. AC. Hello, center. And AC is 10. The triangle ACB is equilateral. Looks that way. And then the length of BP is n times the length of AO. N times length of AO is 5, basically, right?
Yes.
So 5n is BP. So what is the value of n? So how to find BP anyway? Is there a way I can find BP?
Well, you know that BO should be 10.
Right?
And you know that
BO is, wait. You said BO is 10, right?
Yes. And you
How
know
do you
that
know?
PO,
Wait, I have a question. How do you know BO is 10?
because the triangle is an equilateral. So all three of the lengths are the same, right?
Yeah, let me mark all three of them. See better. Which means this is a 10. So this is a 10. This is a 10, right?
Oh, wait, I'm stupid.
Yeah.
Oh, I have to do oh. Okay.
It's okay.
That
The brain is a
more sense
mysterious
why I
thing.
didn't get.
In a natural principle, and they will. It's kind of like when you practice, you must get back. You must get back. It's okay.
You know, that makes a lot of sense why I didn't actually get the answer. That makes so. Let's see if I can get it now. And of course I can. Okay, it's C. That's really sad because I identified the relationship. I didn't notice. Oh. Okay, I'll mark this. I won't mess it up next time. Yeah. I think I understood. Let me just first. Okay.
And 27 is a way that I can fake I'm an artist. This is total geometry, but you can say, well, if you put it in the comic books or something, it's definitely there.
It's true.
28.
Okay, 28 was another question that I was a bit confused on, but I picked B in the end.
The second one, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's see. In this figure shown, BC lies on AD. BC, where's B? BC lies on AD. Okay. And E lies on DF. Why is that so important now? E, okay, C parallel to AF. That I can see. Which of the following is enough to prove that BDE similar to EDF? EDC. BDE, where's BDE? And to EDC. EDC.
Actually, is the answer D?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know what happened. Now it made perfect sense when you were reading. I think I just need practice. I feel like maybe just a lot of practice and a lot of faith that I can do this. Because when I was doing it, I was so lost. Maybe I just needed to take a moment to reassure myself that it's not that hard.
Yeah, this is the thing about that. One of the beautiful things in math tests, I have very clear memories. Sometimes when you couldn't do it at all, for the first time, but after you finish everything else, and then when you return, you can get it somehow. That's one of the beautiful things. Yeah. It means eventually we can get the answer. Second time, the third time. That's good. I have very good memory about this. So you know how to do this 28 now, right?
Yes.
Okay.
It's not hard. I can get the points.
Okay.
I think I still just need to do a lot more documents and redo questions just to kind of get myself in the exam mode again.
Yeah.
Because I'll be honest, like my final strategy is just secure as much points as I can, but if I see like a time thing, I can sacrifice some points. So it's not the case for SAT. So yeah, I think I need to kind of tell myself to readjust my strategy.
Wait, what strategy?
So like for acing different school exam tests, I have different strategies. And for finals, it depends on the subject, but mostly it's seeing if a point is worth getting if I don't know how to get it. Like if I have a 7-mark question and a 5-mark question, I know that if I do both of them, then I might lose mark on one of the questions. Versus if I just do one question, one or the other, I can secure O marks. And it's just kind of seeing which one is better to sacrifice.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but like SAT, you want to get all of them right, especially for math. I'm really pissed. I'm really pissed because I wholeheartedly believe I either messed up only 1 or 2 questions and it doxed me like 70 points. So I'm very pissed. So it's not the strategy. So I need to practice more and get out of that mentality where it's okay to know that I can make a mistake. It's preferably prevented.
Yeah. Yeah, society is so-called more civilized. So the education system, especially the college entrance exam in each country, especially the civilized country, it's
tough.
It's tough. And you brag about it, all the time, but you also feel lost and if you didn't do like as expected. Yeah, study hard is right, but a little too much glory in here. On one thing, if it make us study deeper, which is good. Also, the unnecessary stress is not necessary. But anyway, so 20. So that one is good. If you just focus on the question and study better. That one I can use because after all, this life. I'm not talking about a heaven life. This life is full of clues and also tests. That's how we meet God in this life. So, and also it's a way of get the grace. 30. Wait, not 30. 20, 29.
I put A.
30.
I put D.
31.
I put 5.
32.
I put 15.
33.
I put 9.
34.
I put 6.
35.
23 out of 60.
Let me correct this. 23 out of 60, which is, can you make it into decimal?
Yes, I can. 0.38.
Yes, okay. 20, no, 36.
18 out of 31.
Decimal?
0.58-ish.
0.58. Whoa, then we can take a look. 39. Okay. 36.
Okay, let me see. I think I can get this. .29.
Yeah. What went wrong?
I don't know why I added 4 and 5 twice.
Oh, because the total. Just be careful for that total. You can't repeat then.
Oh, I didn't notice that. That makes sense.
Yeah. Just be careful of the total. The table, one of the things I don't like the table is also because the total. You got to be careful of the total. I don't think table, but that's also an advantage about the table. They show the total. Total requires calculation. We normally can get the table, but so anyway, you should be careful of the table. It's not exactly as the rest of the data, right? It's the total.
Okay.
37.
I put 20.
38.
I put 7.1.
7.1. 38. Okay, let's do 38.
Okay, what if I square 7.1? What if it's, 50.41?
How do you do it?
Is it right?
No.
Okay. Let me redo this question then.
Yeah. You can do it.
I think it's another question that I need to practice a lot again.
And also, we need this in physics too, so you might as well to do it anyway.
Oh, I'm so scared for AP Physics next year. I'm so scared.
Next thing, you need AP1 or APC?
I don't know, actually. I'm not sure what my school's requirement is with new curriculums.
We can worry at that time. Forget about that now.
Ooh.
We'll talk about it.
I don't want it. Ooh, I don't want it.
Test is also crazy, but no, let's study the knowledge is also crazy. But it's a good thing that I can, humble myself and pray and really pray God to give me joy. Otherwise, I really hate it a lot of times.
Test is tough. Yeah.
But I do have some recent, like a joyful experience about the knowledge part, which is, one of the moments that I like to pray.
I feel like if we didn't have so much competition in society, then maybe it would make learning more enjoyable. But like it's in our nature to compete, to want to be better. Yeah. So it's a thought.
Yeah. Also, fading is kind of good. This morning I thought about it.
Yeah.
Fading is good. It's like one of the great things. Also, impossible beauty is, Jesus have infinite glory, and he like humbled himself. So there is one prayer that I like, that I humble myself so that God get more. Sounds good. Yeah, but when it happens, it's kind of like killing myself.
Right. Okay. Is it 0.3?
You got 0.3?
Unfortunately.
Are we going to use the one? And we actually learned this in physics already. I mean, you remember? Union conversion.
Yeah, I remember unit conversion, but I'm not sure. Let me just write down what I'm doing. I'm not sure what is wrong for this particular question. We use it everywhere, in math and chemistry too, actually. But I hate it in chemistry.
Well, I hate chemistry anyway.
Oh.
Yeah. I thought he's a friend, chemistry. And turned out, let me down.
I like it, but I can't do it. I'll take, I think better than physics. Oh, not grams.
Yeah, that's a good way. Wait, this is our thing. Meter per second squared. There's a square in here.
Oh, so I'm supposed to square my answer?
Yeah, so there's a square here, so you have a square here to simplify, right? If you have a square in here, you have a square in here, right?
I see. Okay. 15.2.
Yeah. So I think you're like okay. I think so we have to be careful square, right? Also, this is something that we have to be careful in physics. The square thing is not very common sense. So you have to be careful. As long as they have square, you always have to check.
Okay.
Next one is June 6th.
I feel like this document wasn't hard, but it's just that I grew a little unfamiliar and also maybe went by a little bit careless, like for that one question.
Yeah, almost other than that geometry, but geometry thing, that equilateral circle thing, I think
I could have
normally you
gotten
should
it.
got it, which means
I think
every question is possible, which means there's a chance we can get all of this question, right?
probably before my previous exam, I would have probably gotten it all right.
Yeah.
Like, I just need to practice some question types, but that wasn't, now going over it, then that wasn't bad.
Yeah.
I made some silly mistakes that definitely needs to be avoided. Okay, I have the other one. Now I did this one after that one, so I'm not sure how much different that would be.
Okay, let me get the June section 3.1.
I put C.
Wait.
Oh.
Section 3, right?
Yeah.
Question 1.
Wait. Oh wait, we have different documents. Which one did I do? I did 5 US.
Oh, it's okay. 5. Let me get 5.
Sorry.
But it's better. I don't want you to make the mistake in the very first question.
Yeah.
I said all the things that we fail, and eventually, God gets more glory. But well, let's not do it on purpose.
Yeah. Try to avoid it.
It's okay. We can work really hard and pray to God really hard, make us, fall anyway. Not the other way around. Fall really hard and then say, oh, I really fall, and then you can pick me up. Not the other way around, because God's glory is infinite. So, and also, I read something. I said the way that we work hard is because the grace of God. Does that making sense to you?
No, that I understand.
And then I can finally saying, well, yeah, there is no glory for me. It's always a struggle for me. Question 1 is C, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's 2.
I put A.
3.
I put A.
4.
I put A.
5.
I put C.
6.
I put A.
7.
I put D.
8.
I put B.
9.
I put C.
10.
I put B.
11.
I put A.
12.
I put B.
13.
I put D.
13D. Oh, this one is better. I'm imagining that you probably do better on the second test.
Oh, but I'm not sure why this one is wrong. Let me have a look.
13. Oh, not this one.
Is it supposed to be C?
Yeah, you are looking at the right document. I should open another one. It is C.
Okay. So the only reason I picked D is because I did 60, well, I made it to the power of 5.
Yeah,
So
you should be careful, right? 5 power,
Yeah.
4 power. That's a thing they like to ask, right? I think some of the time they didn't do on purpose. I mean, they didn't trick us on purpose.
It tricked people on well, not on purpose.
Yeah, because in real life, it just sometimes, yeah, it's just power 5, sometimes power 4.
But how do I know in this case? Like, I know now because I messed up, right? But
yeah, so for me, it's first I read it carefully, so I do it right in the first time. And second, I always check. You substitute and check whether it's power 4 or power 5 or power 6. I mean 4. There's only one. So you couldn't be sure, right? Does that make sense? You use other information to check whether it's right or not.
Okay.
And also because when I say do it right for the first time is this. That's also a little bit unnecessary though. For example, if I'm talking about 2 to nth power, let's say 3 times that.
Wait, sorry, can I interrupt really quick?
Sure.
Sorry. So when you say check, like you mean I check if when n is what, I get 60. So like in this case, if you put 0, you would get 60. So you know you are counting 0 as 1. So that's why it's 4.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I get what you mean by checking now. Okay. Probably should have done that. That's okay.
And checking, actually, there's easy checking. There's also hard checking. You can check either way. That's one of the ways you can check. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Oh, if I'm using this one as an example about me checking this, if there is a chance that n star is 0 and n could be 0, n could be 1, and n could be 2, and could be 3, this kind, right? And there is a chance that n start with 1 and 2 and 3. Does that make sense? And that's the difference, right?
I see.
Yeah, that's the difference. You can check it in the beginning, or you can check it for the power 4 or power 5. Is that okay?
Yep.
So the key is to know when is the first. Sometimes n is 0, sometimes n star is 1. So that's why we have 2 kinds of weights for this kind. Does that make sense?
Yep.
So check. I think checking is one way. 14. Some people, like it not checking it, but normally we always check for this.
I think I will check. I think I will check.
14.
I put D.
Yeah. 15.
I put D.
16.
I put 1/5.
17.
I put 11.
18.
4.2 over 0.9.
4.2. What's the decimal?
4.66.
Yeah. 19.
Oh, I left a blank.
I see 19.
I thought for a second I missed it, and I realized, no, I left a blank.
The cylinder and the sphere both have the same rears. Cylinder and sphere. Wait, this down on the same rears. Let's make it smaller. And the cylinder has 16 as height.
Yes.
The volume of the sphere is half the volume. So if I'm writing this one is 16, so the volume of the sphere, so it's R. So if I mark this as R, and this is R for him, so let me write it. The volume of the sphere is what? 4/3 pi R cubed, right?
Which is equals to 2 times
1/2 times
pi r squared.
16 times pi r squared, right?
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yes.
This is how you do it?
So like, do you just solve the system of equation?
This is not a system. There's only one equation.
Solve the equation?
Yeah, so 3, so this one is 1, and pi and pi is out. So what, you using the same way that I do?
No, I think I was a little bit confused reading.
Oh.
So I wanted to make sure. But I have a question.
Sure.
Just, the sphere is half the volume. If the sphere is half the volume of the cylinder, that's why you're doing 1/2, not timing by 2, right?
Yeah, I'm totally following the lead of the question.
Okay.
Of the reading. Let me just mark this. Let me just erase this. So because they say basically the key is the volume of the sphere is half the volume of the cylinder, right? Oh, I can't simplify anymore. One volume is half the other volume, right?
Yes.
The first volume is the second volume is half. Yeah. So that's only, you can only write something is 1/time of half something. Does that make sense?
Yep.
So we can solve R, right?
Yeah.
What's your problem when you did it yourself? Reading?
Yeah.
Wait.
It makes more sense now, but when I was reading it, I was a bit confused. Like I kind of figured I have to make the two using their volume formula, but I was a bit confused how.
Oh. You forgot a formula? Formula is there.
Yeah, no, but like I just wasn't sure if I should make it like equals or like solve. So I just left it, I think.
When we see something like this, when we see a sentence like this, that's always screaming for an equation, right? Something is half of something else, right?
Yeah.
Which means if it's in the shape of an equation, we should write an equation. We write an equation anyway, right? If possible. It's almost our number one priority in math word problem, right? And then number 2 is probably inequality. Number 3 is probably, when I say equation, and at the same time, it also includes graph. It's also a certain kind of way. So the number 1 is always equation or like geometry. This 2. And the number 2 is always inequality.
Okay.
And then number 3, which is whatever pattern you find. 20.
Oh yeah, I left a blank too.
Okay, let's see 20.
I wanted to do something with the lawyer formula, like the C/A, but then I didn't really know how to approach it because I didn't know like A or C.
In this equation, you can see a constant, negative b, constant, negative b. Oh, it's a little bit different than that one, probably. What is one possible value for x? Like for a second, I can forget about this one because this kind of makes into a two variable BC system of equation. Negative b minus 18. Does that make sense? Forget about this for a second. Although they ask x, but I need BC to get x, right?
Yes.
So can you solve this system equation?
If I added, it's B over A.
Yeah. Wait. If I add it
over A.
You mean add equation 1 and with equation 2?
Wasn't it the two solution added is negative B over A?
It's not one of those questions.
Oh.
Because that involves x1 plus x2. So, but there is no indication that they have anything about x1 plus x2, right?
Okay. Well, in this case, then I have negative 2b equals 28.
Yeah, exactly. So I can find b, right? B is negative 14, right?
Okay.
And then?
Oh, so then I can substitute.
Yeah.
Whoa. Oh, that was so hard.
Yeah.
I think if you didn't explain it, I wouldn't have gotten it though.
This you can also like remind you first is x1 plus x2 is you're not the only one that use this one, but it's not. It looks like that we can use it, but it's not, right? Because it's not like this one is x1 or this one is x2. So in the end, we just don't really know x1 plus x2, right? And also because it's in a shape that we like it, it's basically I pretend something and plus negative b minus something, right?
Yeah.
So that I can use elimination, right? Also, I pretend this one is also as one variable, right? It's kind of like a t. It's kind of like a t equation kind of thing, right? I just pretend this one is t, right?
Yeah, I see.
Okay. When it got complicated, saying it's a complicated thing, appear again and again. So then I might use t instead of that, right?
Okay.
Let's pretend it's group.
So then it could either be 9 or 5.
Yeah.
Let me.
Either one is okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. I definitely have to do this again.
Mm.
But that was kind of cool. I thought it might have been like 2 solutions added or multiplied. But
Yeah,
yeah,
I
I
thought
think.
so too. It just looks that way, but not that way. Right?
Yeah.
Question 1. Question 4.
I put B.
2.
I put B.
3.
I put C.
4.
I put D.
5.
I put D.
6.
I put C.
7.
I put B.
8.
I put A.
9.
I put C.
10.
I put A.
11.
I put A.
Yeah. 12.
I put A.
13.
I put A.
13. 12 is A. 13 is also A, right?
Yes.
That is 13. 13.
I think I understand why I messed up. Is a D.
Yeah.
I didn't see the right part of the graph. Like I saw that's a bit awkward. I saw the 0 at the like 1 point something-ish, and I didn't see that they had the answer 1 as an option, so I picked 2.
Oh.
Yeah, I didn't see the 5 at the end. So that was a bit silly.
When it's 70, let me just read this. I get confused. At which of the time is the membrane potential close to negative 70? Oh, negative 70 is in here, right?
Yeah. I actually learned about this in anatomy last year.
Oh, really?
I did good on the assignment.
Oh, good. Only the software, which is really software about. This is also okay. 0 is also okay, right? They don't have 0. They have 5.
Yeah, but they don't have. That's why
They
I
also
didn't
don't
see the
have
5.
this. They
Yeah.
also don't have that. Okay. Reading problem?
Yeah. I would say like careless.
14.
Let me see. I put A.
15.
I put A.
15, yeah. Let's see, 15.
B.
Yeah.
Why isn't annual use increased by that much?
Why you change now? Why you switch from A to B?
I thought A is saying each year they used 4.3.
And you use being increased by.
So it's increasing by 4.3 each year. I thought that.
And use that for China useful for. Well, it's the slope, right? The slope
Right.
is the rate of the change, right?
Yes.
So each year is the rate, right? And change is the annual use of soybeans. And they said it in here. Annual use. This is what we said, y equals mx plus b, right? So x increased by 1, y increased by m, right?
Yes.
So y increased by that, not the y is annual soybean, right? So this one increased by 4.3, not use 4.3.
Oh, wait.
The slope is when you increase by 1, but you increase x by 1, y increase by m, right? The definition of slope, one of the definitions.
But isn't this linear? So the result is annual soybean use. So isn't it saying every single year China uses 4.3 million? So that's why X is years, and they see how many years they use plus the initial amount of 19.
Well, B you understand it anyway, right?
Yes.
You just having question why A is not right, right?
Yes.
Well, actually, if B is right, A is not right.
No, but like I understand, but I feel like A is better.
You have to increase by 4.3, not China use 4. If China use 4.3, which means 4.3 is the C equals 4.3 times the. You're talking about the result. I mean the C amount, which means the Y value is 4.3. Does that make sense? The
Then
Y
I
value is
have a
not
question.
4.3.
What if a whole entirely different context?
Yeah.
Okay, where C represents the cost, okay, and X represents the amount of toys you can sell. In this case, wouldn't 4.3 be the cost for one toy, which is X? You don't know how many toys, right? So in this case, wouldn't it be soybean used?
No. In that case, it's Y equals to 4.3x, right?
Sure.
That's still no, which means well, oh, that yes, x equals to 1, y equals to 4.3. That's what you mean, right?
If that's the case.
This is right. If you write like this, this is right. But this is not x equals 1. This is each year. Which means every time x increase by 1, that's called each year.
Okay. Yeah.
It's not x equals to 1. Does that make sense? Is that the...
Okay.
Do you feel that difference?
Slightly, yes.
If you want to express what you said, it's this. It's when x equals 1, which means when between 1995 to when x when it's 1996 and the annual soybean use is 4.3 plus 19. It's also not 4.3. Does that make sense?
Okay.
And you also have to get rid of 19 if that's the case. That's why I said you can only work out in that situation. Does that make sense?
Okay.
And also because we said it several times, a lot of times, the m is kind of important. So the definition of m is when x increase by 1. Not x is 1. X increase by 1. Y increase by m. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
15, 16.
Let me see. I put B.
Yeah, 17.
I put A.
18.
I put D.
19.
I put A.
20.
I put C.
21.
I put B.
22.
I put C.
23.
I put B.
24.
Yes. Okay. I put C.
25.
I put B.
26.
B.
Yeah. 27.
I put A.
28.
I put A.
29.
I put D.
30.
I put C.
31.
I put 7/20.
32.
I think I either didn't see this question or skipped it.
32.
I think I can do this. I probably accidentally skipped it. Let me see.
Okay.
Is it 5?
Yep.
Okay. I think I didn't see it.
No, you solve an inequality, you can know.
Yeah.
33.
I put 7.
34.
I put 10.
35.
I put 9.
36.
I put 40.
36 is 40. 36.
So I kind of just did 2 times 160 divided by 40, and that gave me 8.
T is 8?
No, T is 40.
How did you do it? Can you write it?
Yeah. If I did, it becomes 8.
Let me think about it. 2 times x over t y. Why t is 40?
Because if 2 times 160 is 320, then with 320 over 40, I would get 8.
I still don't get it. Why you get t is 20? Is this t 40 already? If you write it like this, isn't t is 40 already?
Yes.
Then how did you know?
Because I multiplied 2 by 160 and then tried to figure out what number divided by that would give me 8. Would give me 8.
Oh.
Ooh. How about you just explain the right way to do it?
If they show it like this, I would just say x over y happens so many times, right?
Yes. So you're setting that as t, but using another variable,
No.
not
It's
t.
not a variable, yeah. So it's just saying this one. Actually, this one I can just substitute. Since this one is 8, so I will substitute 8 in here.
So you're saying t times
2 over t times y, x over y. Because x over y happens so much, I just put it in a bracket, right? Is that okay?
Okay.
2, somehow I think it is similar as what you described it. So this one I can use 8 instead of x over y, right?
Yes.
And then it's 16 over t equals to 116.
So 0.1.
Yeah.
Oh. I think I was same idea, but different understanding of the context.
Yeah. You somehow didn't get 0.1, right?
No.
That's it.
I think that's a understanding problem. I just have to remember, I guess, substitute.
Saying complicated things happen again and again. You have to consider it's a group or an ST variable. Is that okay?
Yeah.
36. 37.
I put 1 over 3.
Oh, 38.
Okay, I'm proud of this one. I hope it's right. 40.5.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, I'm proud of that one. Okay.
Looks different on that. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, finished the work.
Okay, I feel like both of these documents wasn't bad. I feel like if I did like enough practice, I probably would have been really okay with this. I think for both of these document, there were like maybe one question or slight confusion concept, but I still think I could have gotten it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Next
So I think I need to definitely practice a lot more documents to be able to kind of go back to, where I was before and to advance. But yeah.
Yeah. I already gave you the other one, which is this one. This one you haven't done, right?
No. If you want, we can go over maybe geometry questions.
Sure.
Yeah.
Over geometry questions, and then you can just do yourself. 3 documents is probably, which also means you're getting better. We need 3 documents. Yeah, because you need 3 documents. Because before, we can't really finish 3 documents. But now,
to be honest, I could have probably done 4 today. I could have probably also done 3. But when I came home from the ceremony, I kind of got distracted. I said, yeah.
Enjoy the chuffei, right?
Huh?
You gotta enjoy the chuffei.
I was just a little bit nonchalant because of the award. I was like, oh, I'm so amazing. I deserve a rest. But I think I want to say I can get 3 documents done tomorrow. No distractions. I have no reason to. So
you definitely can, because tomorrow is we don't have class tomorrow.
Oh, really? Yeah. Please send a lot more then. I have time to spare, and yeah.
We don't have class for tomorrow. You don't have class the day after tomorrow, and we will, which means the day 2 days later. You have 2 days later.
Okay, I can probably do 8 documents. I say with no calculation of time whatsoever.
Okay, let's do this geometry problem with this. If we do this, then we don't. Wait, why there's a 5? That's crazy. Oh, a typo. Nine.
Wait, there's a figure?
Oh. Where is it? There. Wait, that's a lie.
Oh, well.
Let me see. I don't have that figure.
Apparently no more diagrams, no figures.
Yeah, $10,000. There's a 8. In this figure shown, also no figure. $31.
I think it'll be okay.
Yeah, vertex problem. Wait, I seen the picture before. Let me just close this and open. Yeah, let's do 29.
Okay. Radian? Okay. I'm not quite sure.
Okay, let's say this this is traveling around the circle. Radius 3. This is something he does, right?
Yeah.
And then the object travels at a rate of 1/6. This is rate, and also it's meter per second. This is kind of like speed, right? Is that making? Is this speed?
Yeah.
And they said it starts at a point A. Starts at point A. Oh, I already used that. And traveled as 40 seconds. 40 seconds isn't that time, right? I mean, 20 seconds is the 20 seconds is the time, right?
Yes. So this is a good speed over time?
Speed over time. Speed, time. Normally what we get?
Distance?
Yeah, distance, which is?
Speed over time?
Oh, wait. Distance is what?
Distance equals speed over time?
Wait. For example, your speed is 5 meters per second. You go for 10 seconds. How far you go?
Distance over time?
Huh?
50?
Yeah, so it's time, right? You said speed over time. It's speed times time, right? And speed.
Speed equals distance over time.
Yeah.
Okay.
You're memorizing too hard.
Yeah.
The memory is too strong, and also, get over your logic.
Wait, but I do have that. I ended up with 10 over 3.
Yes, 10 over 3. So 10 over 3 is the distance. Yeah, 10 over is the distance, right?
But then what about the radian?
Yeah, 10 over 3 is the distance. Also, 10 over 3, isn't that arc length for this?
So the radian is the same as the arc length? Or...
No. It's let's just say, let's stop here. This is the arc length, right? 10 over 3 is the arc length, right? Is that okay?
Okay, sorry.
So arc length has another something. How do we find arc length? There's a formula, isn't there?
Degree 2 pi r 330.
Degree
2 pi r and 330.
You mean
360.
Can you write it?
Yes, I can.
Yeah. What is this theta?
The one we're finding?
None of those.
But you are given this. So I solve for theta because this is 3.
Yeah, wait a second. There is a thing that we should be clear about. What? Theta. Theta has two identification here.
Degree?
Yeah, it's degree or in radian.
I want it in radian, but now I'm solving for degree.
Yes, so in this situation, what you get is a degree theta, right?
Yes.
So do you also have the formula for radian theta?
Yes, but don't I have to solve for degree first before I convert to radian?
Yeah, you can. That you can. But I want to say there is also a formula for radian.
Oh, directly from the arc length?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know that one.
So you should.
Oh, but I assume is I times by pi and divide by 180.
Not exactly. See,
okay,
this
it's worse.
you're using this is because this is the fraction, right? Theta over 360. If theta is in radian, theta over 2 pi is the fraction.
Okay.
And then times 2 pi r, right?
So the same thing except I put 2 pi.
Yes, using 2 pi instead of 360. But I can simplify this easier, see? 2 pi simplified. So the easy way is theta r.
Divide by 3. Oh, so then I'd get C.
Yeah.
But, wait, don't even, okay, there we go. But if I did my way, the long way, the time-consuming way, would I have gotten the same answer?
Yes, you will get the same answer.
Okay.
But
at least if I forget this, I have to wait.
And maybe this is the question that will take a little too much of your time. So you remember arc have 2 formula, or you can say in a way it's a 3 formula. One way is the easy way is r theta, or the one that we use theta r, like the same thing. R theta. How many people write r theta? And the other way is what you write, theta over 360 times 2 pi r. The other way is theta over 2r, 2 pi, times 2 pi r. Is that okay? You can write the 3 of them. Is that okay?
Yep.
So the third one is actually can be transformed into the first one, simplified. Is that okay?
Okay.
And here we should also probably review the area of the sector formula.
Pi r squared theta 360.
Yes, one of them. The other way?
Pi r squared theta over 2 pi.
Yes, very nice. And simplify way, pi and pi is out.
R squared theta over 2.
Yeah, 1 over 2 theta r squared, or 1 over 2 r squared theta.
Okay.
Okay? Yeah.
Yep.
So use this 3-way smoothly. You can get this, right? You can use your way too. Get the theta in degree and change it into the read, but that is a little time consuming. That's also okay.
Yeah.
So you have to do it step by step, right? You get the distance, and then you should tell yourself the distance is the arc length, and use the arc length formula, right?
Yeah.
Oh, that's 38.
I remember we did this before.
Yeah.
Let me see if I remember how to do it.
You don't have to remember. Do it. Now we're trying to lose the memory and still can do it. People always brag about this. I don't remember anything, but I can do it.
Which was side? Oh, BC. Okay. 15.
Yep.
Okay.
You using similarity?
Yep.
Yeah. Let's see again.
Oh, let me.
$20? I think that'll be okay. 20?
Okay, let me see. A.
Yep. Isn't that a good friend? No. Consider it's all a good friend. I'll just get to know them. They are actually friendly. You know, it's Japanese cartoon on comic books. They always make, everything is a spirit, basically. Everything is a friend. Your animal had soul and, have, magic power.
That's true.
Same thing. It's all creation, all math. Just imagine they are all spirits. It's actually not against the holy book. Somehow it's God's hand. So you can imagine there's life in there, but just not too much. Not to make it into a god kind of thing.
Okay, yeah. Now I just hope I can see these friends on my test. Please. I really invite them over.
Yeah, that's for sure. Where's the geometry? For this one. So that FC 20.
What? I think it's just 6.
So if I say substitute x equals to BC is my vertex, right? So C is 6.
Yeah, I see the vertex.
19. But this one is okay, right? Ooh.
I'm normally okay with a square is inscribed. Okay, I'm normally okay with when the circle is when the circle is inscribed in the square, but I don't see the square in the circle so much. So can I try it?
Sure.
Oh. Oh, but there's a circle, like I know. Okay. Wait, could you explain this one, please?
So, yeah, what you're marking is right. But we need the side, right? Side of the square. And
yes.
What I can also do is I need a little bit more because I need more readers.
Oh, I think I understand. Do I make a like this and then I find this side? Right? I find this side.
No,
And
we
that
don't
would
have
be
to. We don't have to. We can just use you can, but we don't have to. It's
oh,
we can just mark the the one that they originally have. Because this is 9 8 9 square 9 square 2. Let me draw something. Right.
Okay, I think I see what you mean. So you can find half of that and then you multiply by 6.
Yeah. So this is also because the center is the same, right? I can mark this one and also can mark this one. Remember, the readers is always important, right? Especially the readers connect with the. I mean, as long as you can find readers, find readers. Does that make sense? Which means
Yes.
I can find all readers basically. It's which one
Okay,
is suitable. Yeah.
Okay, so it's a 24.
24.
Yes.
You mean 74, right? No.
74.
No. This is square 9. So because that's a 90 degree, right?
Right.
So I can use Pythagoras, which is 9 square root 2 square plus 9 square root 2 square. And then square root, which is gonna be make this 18.
Whoa.
You can do the calculation with the calculator because I know another way to do this.
Why did I get 6?
Okay, 6. 9 squared times 2, which means it's 81 times 2. There's also 81 times 2. Square root 9. Is that so? 162 plus 162 is 4, 2, 3. 324. 324.
I'm not sure what I typed wrong with the direct way, because if I do 81 times 2, right, I get 18, but if I do the other way, then I get 6. So I'm not sure what I typed wrong. Maybe it's the order.
You're typing wrong. It should be 9 square root 10. The bracket 9 square root 2 and bracket out and then square.
Oh, okay. Let me try that again.
What you wrote is a different answer.
Yes. Okay, let me try. Okay, there we go. That makes sense.
The bracket, right? The bracket. You are fast with the calculator because you use a lot of bracket. Should use more. I mean, as long as necessary, or as long you feel it's possible, not even necessary.
Okay, yeah.
In the beginning, in the beginning you will use a little, not enough brackets, and in the process you use too many brackets, and eventually probably have the right amount. There's not the right amount. It's okay as long as you hesitate. Make a bracket. Is that okay?
Yep.
As long as it's not against the description. So it's actually 18 times 4 then eventually, right?
Yes.
Okay. I'm gonna give you some documents.
Okay, perfect.
I give you this force. I give you this one. This one is a part of that.
I will save this document and bye-bye.
This is 1, and then a little bit more. You want 8 of them?
Huh?
How many? You want a 6? 8?
Yeah. I feel ambitious. I hope I can do it. I should be able to. Hypothetically, nothing is holding me back but my own self. But yeah.
So 6 of them. Okay.
Okay. Are they like
for
the
1 day?
paper test or like the digital test?
Okay. Paper test.
Okay.
So we need a little bit difficult level anyway. So paper test is probably on the way.
But I feel like the paper test is easier now.
Yeah. Now you feel it, right? Yes.
Yes.
And that's why when you say paper test is more difficult. I just really?
Yeah, but now I'm worried that I'm not good enough for the digital test.
Oh, that's eventually it's altogether it's not much difference.
Okay.
It's just some digital test is actually more difficult, but generally it's the same level.
Okay, great.
Okay. And right now it's the we need the hard question actually. But since you said you also want to maintain the normal level, yeah, I think you have to do it all. Otherwise, you can only pick the difficult one to do it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, then have have a good rest. God bless you.
Thank you.
Thank
See
you.
you soon.
Bye. I hope you get better though. Bye. Oh, good
Thank
thing
you.
about the trophy. Is the word around?
No, it's like a piece of paper. Yeah.
Great. Yeah, nice.
Thank you.
Okay, bye. God bless you.